I've been seeing a lot of chatter in the Facebook group about people being concerned about taking the January flex and not getting financial aid, feeling as if it's too late to get financial aid. And that is how I would pay for law school, with financial aid, and that's how I paid for undergrad. So do you think if I apply in February, it might be too late to get those grant packages, those scholarships, stuff like that?
No, definitely not. I mean, of course, applying early is better, all else being equal, but not everything is equal. Taking the January LSAT, if you can get even just a few points more, it's worth applying after you get that score back. And this year in particular, January is earlier than January has ever been because of how this particular cycle is playing out, in part due to COVID. Thanks for tuning into the show. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already to be notified of new episodes as I release them. And feel free to reach out if you need anything at all as you move forward with your prep. I'm happy to help however I can. In the meantime, I wish you all the best and take care.